Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off the passcode on the Apple Watch. So, today we have the Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen, and no matter what Apple Watch do you have, this is going to work the same on all the Apple Watches, because all the Apple Watches have the same system. And if you want to just unlock your Apple Watch, you can, bring it up. If you have it on the wrist, the screen is going to flash up to turn on. And also, if you have it on the table, like I have right now, you can press the digital crown button or scroll it to put the brightness up, or you can just press it. And also, if you hit the power button, the down button right here, the watch is going to turn on also. And if you want to set the passcode, you need to go to the apps and go to the settings right here. And now you need to scroll down a little bit to go to the passcode. And as you can see, we have the option turn the passcode on, so we're gonna click it. And now we need to enter a new passcode. So let's, for example, type 1234, use code. Again, we need to re-enter the passcode 1234. And as you can see, we have the passcode now enabled. So let's show you right now. And now if you want to do anything on the Apple Watch, we need to enter the passcode. And now the passcode is on. If you want to turn it off, again, we need to go to the applications, to the settings, and again, we need to go to the passcode option right here and click turn off the passcode. And now we need to enter the passcode. And now the passcode is off. As you can see right now, we can enter to the applications. But if you want the longer passcode, we need to enter turn on the passcode and re-enter it. And now we have the option, the simple passcode. So it's a 4-digit passcode. If we are going to turn it off, we need to enter again the passcode. And now we can enter, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a lot of numbers above 4. So 5 and above is going to work as a longer passcode. So now you just need to click OK and use a code, because it's pretty simple. So Apple Watch is telling you that this is really simple passcode, and maybe you might want to choose another one, different. Now we need to re-enter and click OK. And now, as you can see, we have the longer passcode. So if we want to unlock the watch, the 1, 2, 3, 4 is not going to work because we set a longer password. And now we need to type the longer one. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit the like. Bye.